Okay, today I'm driving the Tesla, which means I'm going to need one of these. This is a J1772 to Tesla adapter. I'm going to show you a different kind of charger today. See, back about 10 years ago, SunCountry Highway, which is a Canadian redistributor of Clipper Creek, back about 10 years ago, and I know that seems like a long time for EVs, they started building out a network of these level 2 chargers all across Canada. Now, when I say a network of these level 2 chargers, I don't mean that they're actually networked, like connected to the internet, like most of the others. The SunCountry Highway chargers, they are free, and they're just a dumb EVSE. Connects power to the car. That's all it does. So they're level 2, which means 240 volt, usually 30 to 40 amps. So you're not going to charge fast on these. These are the same kind of chargers that they sell for you to install in your garage. So it's kind of an overnight charge if you wanted to actually fully charge up. But because they're free, they're good for grabbing just a little bit of juice while you have a lunch break, which is what I'm doing. I went over to KFC and grabbed a lunch. Gonna sit in the Tesla, eat my lunch, watch a couple of Netflix, or well, not Netflix, YouTube videos, because you know my lunch break isn't that long. Watch a couple of YouTube videos and you know eat my lunch and grab a little bit of electricity while I'm here. This one is installed at a liquor store, LCBO. SunCountry Highway made deals with retailers, malls, tourist attractions, that sort of thing, to build out these stations all across Canada, particularly along the Trans-Canada Highway. They wanted to have a way that you could actually cross the country on electric power a decade ago, before DC fast charging was really a thing. Tesla was just starting to get superchargers off the ground. Nobody else was really in that game. So they took some government financing, they built a bunch of these, got retailers and tourist attractions to basically devote 2 parking spaces for the charging stations and whatever it would cost for the electricity. The idea is that this is drawing people in to their business or their tourist attraction that maybe might not have made that stop otherwise.